Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ria Yunabila Khairunah with student identification number 2411204022. I'm here to present the assessment for the Introduction of English Literature course which discusses the analysis of poetry with the title The Red Wheelbarrow by William Carlos Williams. The Red Wheelbarrow. So much depend upon a red wheelbarrow glazed with rain water beside the white chickens. Background: the poem The Red Wheelbarrow, written by William Carlos Williams and published in 1923 in the collection Spring Annual, is an important example of the modern poetry movement and Imagination. Williams emphasizes simplicity and clarity in describing an everyday object, a red wheelbarrow glazed with rainwater next to white chicken. This poem reflects the relationship between human and nature and expressing a longing for rural life amidst the rapid technological advance of the time. With his minimalist structure and use of the etchment, Williams forced the reader to think about the deeper meaning of these simple objects. Modern poets, showing that beauty can be found in seemingly ordinary things. Structure: Williams employed enchantment breaking lines to create poses that compel readers to reflect on each image. This technique mirrors the careful observation found in haikus, emphasizing the beauty of everyday objects. Themes: central themes include the significance of mundane objects in daily life and a nostalgia longing for simplest time and amid modernity contrastment. The poem evokes a sense of love as technological advance threaten traditional rural lifestyle. Historical context: Modernism. This poem emerged at the peak of the Modernism movement, which sought to distance itself from traditional literary form and focus more to subjective experience and everyday reality. Williams, as part of the Imagination movement, emphasized the importance to clear and correct imaginary in poetry. Reaction to World War I. World War I brought trauma and uncertainty, prompting many readers to explore times to loss and nostalgia for a simpler life. The Red Wheelbarrow reflects nostalgia for the quieter rural life amidst the rapid change. Simplicity in work. By focusing on everyday objects like the wheelbarrow, Williams demonstrates aesthetic value in ordinary things, encouraging readers to experience beauty in daily life. This is part of an effort to find meaning in simplicity amidst the complexity of the modern world. Cultural context: Modernism and Imagination. Williams was part of Modernism and Imagination movement that emphasized the use of clear and direct language as well as the depiction of great images. In this poem, he raises the offensive, romantic, and poetic style, choosing to focus on everyday objects that are often overlooked, such as the wheelbarrow. Nostalgia for rural life. In the context of rapid industrialization, this poem reflects a longing for simple rural life. The red wheelbarrow and the white chicken depict the crankled, rewriting life, contrasting with the technological advances that are beginning to change traditional ways to living. Social change. At the time, many communities experienced a shift from agriculture to industry. By highlighting agricultural tools such as wheelbarrow, Williams demonstrates the importance of hard work and realism in daily life, as well as the impact of modernity on rural ways to living. Interpretive, emotional attachment. The opening of the poem so much depends viewpoint show the importance of the wheelbarrow in the context of everyday life. It reflects the author's emotional attachment to agrarian life and the hard working involved in it. The wheelbarrow becomes a symbol, a reflection, and participation in rural life. Simplicity and beauty. William used the simple yet powerful language to describe ordinary objects. By emphasizing details such as glass with rainwater, he highlights the beauty in small things, illustrating to how natural elements can enhance everyday objects. Conflict between traditional and modernity. This poem was written at the time when technology was beginning to change the traditional way of life. There's a sense of nostalgia for a simpler rural life, where tools like the wheelbarrow are still very important. This creates a sense of loss as technological advance threaten the way of life. Structure and style. The use of adjustment and separation of words in the poem creates a rhythm that forces the reader to contemplate each image deeply. The separation of the words wheelbarrow and rainwater can be seen as a reflection of the split between an indirect agrarian life and the fragilization caused by modernity. That completes my presentation today. Thank you to all for listening my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.